Job rotation is essentially multiple lateral moves. Some employees will want to move into jobs within the same functional area, while others will prefer to explore different areas, divisions, departments. This option can help maintain the motivation of employees who are easily bored. It can also increase motivation of most employees and help them develop both a breadth and a depth of skills, including a better understanding of how the business operates. However, there are plenty of limitations to go along with these benefits. One, because employees don't spend an extended period of time in each job, they typically develop more of a short term orientation as opposed to a long term orientation, and they don't often have time to complete stretch assignments. Plus, this option can increase employees' workloads and it can be disruptive for everyone involved, including the people who are doing the rotating, as well as the colleagues that they leave behind. Those colleagues have to teach the new job incumbent everything that the previous job incumbent took with them.